the Rad Power Radster Trail.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ryan Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Rad Power Radster Trail electric bike.
Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of paper and cardboard protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside, it comes with a charger, pedals, headlights, tools, and user manual.
So here's the bike fully assembled. The process was pretty straightforward. Basically, you have to attach the handlebars, install the front fender, the front light, install the front wheel, attach the pedals, and you're pretty much good to go.
Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, red and green. Two frame sizes, regular and large. It has an aluminum alloy frame, 750 watt rear hub motor with 100 Newton meters of torque, 15 amp hour, 720 watt hour lithium battery, 65 plus mile range, 28 mile per hour top speed, 27.5 by 3 inch fat tires, 5 pedal assist levels, torque sensor and twist throttle, Shimano 8-speed, LCD display, hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear lights and fenders. It weighs in at 78 pounds and has a max load of 370 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a front light, front fender, front suspension, 27.5 by 3 inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, the battery, kickstand, hydraulic disc brakes, rear fender, rear light, and rear rack. On the other side, you can see the 750 watt rear hub motor and the 8-speed cassette. The handlebar area, you have the brake levers, controls, bell, LCD display, gear shifter, and twist throttle.
So powering on the bike, you have the controls on the left side here, the power buttons on the top. This also comes with the NFC card to unlock it, so you can go into the settings and pair the cards. It comes with two, so holding down the power button on the top for a few seconds, you'll see the display power up real quick. Pressing the plus minus will increase the pedal assist modes 1 through 5, and then the minus will decrease it. Holding down the minus button for a few seconds will activate the walk assist feature. So holding it down here, you can see the walk mode. Pressing the mode button once, you'll see your trip time, your trip distance, and then the class level that you have it set. So looking at the settings, if you hold down the mode button for a few seconds, it will bring you to the settings. You can adjust the trip, your class, the units, your range, brightness, the security, passcode. Again, you can pair the NFC cards and general information. You also have the light button. By pressing the plus button for a few seconds, we'll turn on and off the front light and the rear light. So press it down and you can see the front light and the rear light. This also has the turn signals, so I'm going to turn on the left side. And then you can see the turn signal there.
Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts.
Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy and there's some gravel on the side. Let's see how the bike handles. It does have the front suspension forks with the lockout feature, but right now I currently have it off, so the suspension should go to work. And it also has the fat tires. All right, here we go, rough terrain test. All right, so far so good. Observing the bumps fairly well. I see the front suspension forks going to work. Taking in the gravel here. Now on to the speed test. The bike does have 5 pedal assist levels. We'll start off with the pedal assist and see how fast each level goes. And after that, we'll just use the twist throttle. All right, here we go, pedal assist 1. All right, about 9 miles per hour on pedal assist 1. Moving to 2, picking up some more speed here. About 15, pedal assist 3. About 18, pedal assist 4. 20 miles per hour, and pedal assist 5. All right, we're at 25 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Okay, so with the pedal assist, we reached 25 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now let's just use the twist throttle. Here we go. All right, nice smooth acceleration. We're up to 16 miles per hour. A little bit of an incline in this road here. We're at 19, 20. So it looks like with the twist throttle, we're topping off at 20 miles per hour.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Onto the uphill test. I'm going to take it up this road. It has a nice gradual incline throughout. We'll just use the twist throttle. We saw that with the speed test, we maintained about 20 miles per hour. So let's see if it can do that or if we lose some speed. And then after that, we'll go ahead and do the downhill test. All right, here we go, uphill test. All right, nice smooth acceleration. Motor is very quiet. And we're up to 20 miles per hour. So we're gonna begin the climb here at 20 miles per hour. All right, just losing a little bit of speed. We're down to about 18 miles per hour. Down to 17. A little bit of a downhill here into the turn. Okay, so with the uphill test, we began the climb at 20 miles per hour. Lost a little bit of speed, just down to 17 miles per hour, but fairly strong, nice steady pace, and we made it up the road. Now, let's go on to the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. And I'll probably have to slow it down as we approach that midpoint area. All right, here we go, downhill test. All right, we're up to 20 miles per hour. I'm just gonna let it glide into this turn. Very stable, steering is solid, no rattles, no vibrations. Very responsive. And we're about 21 miles per hour as we're going down this road. 22.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a gloss green and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, rack, and fenders. The bike feels solid and well built. I like that you have the option of the frame sizes of regular and large so it can accommodate various riders. The cables on the front have neat, organized cable management. The saddle is wide and soft and very comfortable. I had no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are a decent length, the steering felt stable and tight, no rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces with no issues. The front suspensions along with the fat tires absorb a lot of the bumps. The 750 watt motor was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 17 miles per hour. With pedal assist I reached 25 miles per hour and 20 miles per hour with the twist throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 65 plus miles. But that will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The hydraulic brakes had good stopping power. They grabbed on quick and came to a complete stop in a fairly short distance. The LCD display is nice and large, intuitive, easy to read, and doesn't get washed out on bright sunny days. Overall, I feel this bike is well built and capable. It can handle multiple types of terrain, have plenty of power and range. It won't disappoint in my opinion. So that is my review of the Rad Power Radster Trail electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.